Can you teach me emails?
Yes, right now.
Is email writing hard?
No, super easy.
Really? Show me, please.
Yes, watch this.
Where do I start?
Start with Dear Sir.
That sounds too formal.
It is perfect, actually.
What comes after that?
Write your name next.
Should I be polite?
Always. Yes, always.
What if I make mistakes?
Just fix and resend.
Will my boss notice?
Yes, so be careful.
How do I finish?
Write kind regards, always.
Should I add signature?
Yes, always add it.
What is in signature?
Your name and contact.
Should I proofread it?
Yes, check it twice.
Is the email too long?
No, just right.
Can I attach a file?
Yes, attach it now.
Is the file ready?
Yes, it is ready.
Should I CC someone?
Yes, CC the manager.
What does CC mean?
Copy to someone.
Is subject line important?
Yes, very important.
How long is enough?
Short and clear always.
Can I use bullet points?
Yes, for lists only.
Is my email good?
Yes, looks very good.
Shall I send it?
Yes, send it now.
Did they reply yet?
Not yet. Wait, please.
How long to wait?
Give them 2 days.
Should I follow up?
Yes, after 2 days.
Is my tone okay?
Yes, very professional.
Can you check it?
Yes, reading it now.
Is this format correct?
Yes, perfect format.
Any tips for me?
Be clear and brief.
Do you like emails?
Yes, I do.
Is email useful at work?
Yes, very useful.
Thank you for helping.
You are welcome.
Shall we write another?
Yes, let us write.
Can I improve fast?
Yes, with daily practice.
Is practice important?
Yes, very important.
Do you write many?
Yes, about 20 daily.
Is that a lot?
Yes, but gets easier.
Am I learning fast?
Yes, very fast indeed.
Can I do this?
Yes, you can.
Are emails always formal?
No, sometimes casual too.
When are they casual?
With close coworkers only.
Is this email casual?
No, this is formal.
Should I always use formal?
With clients, always yes.
Did I do well?
Yes, very well done.
Thank you so much.
You are very welcome.